we need a better camera. All right, here's the scoop. We've been all ears, hustling to beef up the camera feature, but no one gets buff overnight. It's all about those baby steps. We've been slipping in some upgrades for camera animations in the previous updates, especially in D5 2.5 with optimized video editing and advanced camera tools. We'll also keep working on the camera feature to bring you better experience. Stay tuned, we're on it. Smooth camera animation is coming your way. We've rolled out this super cool camera animation import feature that's going to make your design workflow crazy efficient. And that's not all. We've also spiced up D5 render with brand new camera path support, so your animations are about to get a whole lot smoother. D5 Render 2.6 is just around the corner. Make sure to follow our channel so you'll get updated immediately for this exciting new version.